success, son, that's the plan. Truck tires cleaned and drained, stack 'em by thick boards, 2x6 concrete blocks nearby. Gal wedges in the pocket, spirit level in hand, jack and wrench on the board. Come on, we level this land, now we're ready. Bring the home down to the ground. Level ground, level ground. Set it solid, set it sound. Bad ground rots a good home down. So before you build it up, level ground. Level ground, yeah. First lay the blocks where the corners go. Tire on firm earth, back down low. Thick board on top makes a steady bed. Check the spirit level, bubble dead ahead, then jack her up slow. One side at a time, slide the pads under, keep the boards in line. Tap the gow wedges till the bubble sits true. Lower her down easy, level through and through. Level ground, level ground. Set it solid, set it sound. Background rots a good home down. So before you build it up, level ground. Listen now, this part keeps you alive. Never put your body under a lifted caravan. Not a hand, not a head. Without support that holds, and never level on bare soil, my friend. Soil moves, soil soaks, soil lets the rock crawl in. Stone or concrete under every load. That's the line between a home and a slow goodbye. Now she sits true, build a welcome floor chart, joists on blocks, never soil, that's the lower pallet deck on top. Gal screws hold it tight, sand it smooth, anti-slip, so the steps feel right. Every rise the same, 18 centimeters, no more. From the skirting plumb pallet boards to the floor, oil against the weather, metal flashing at the